Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video about me washing my hair, Like I said, I've been natural for like 6 months now, going like 7. So this is the process of me, washing my hair. I'm trying a new product. I'm slowly buying natural hair products and trying them out and see which ones work the best with my hair. From my first video, you can see I had a little growth. That video, when I recorded it, it was kind of like the end of January. So here we are now at the end of March, and I swear I feel like it looks exactly the same. Like I've got nowhere. But as you know, with natural hair, it's shrinkage is real. It's very real. See, look at this. So yeah. I think it's getting somewhere. It's just taking forever, especially in the back, because it was so short when I started. It was like faded. So, it's taking forever to catch up, which is so weird because if you see how long the front is, it's like, didn't they kind of start off in the same place? Because this was really short, but I don't know. So yeah, the products that I'm going to be using. Oh, and at the same time as I'm washing my hair and conditioning it, I'm also going to be using a face mask. I love this brand, Clarins. It's the best brand for for skin moisture and facial type products. Oh my God. It's kind of on the expensive side. It's like $25 to $40, $50, $60, $70 for their products. But it is worth the money because, let me tell you, it leaves your skin looking really good, feeling good and bright. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that as well. And I will come and show you the bottle of the face mask that I'm using for Clarins. And I will also leave the link for all of these products. But really, I bought my Clarins face mask out of Macy's. So I love Macy's. But yeah, I bought it out of Macy's because they're in Macy's. And the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using today is these two. From Shea Moisture, we got the clarifying deep African black soap deep cleansing shampoo and clarifying conditioner. So these two are the two new Shea Moisture products that I am using today to wash and condition my hair. I just took my hair down from braids, so yeah. While I was in Walmart, it was so hard to figure out which Shea Moisture product to get because there's so many. Like, can y'all narrow it down and stop making so many so people can have less to choose from because you don't know which one to choose. And I mean, I don't know the real texture of my hair when it's natural and how my scalp feels and how my hair handles product per se. So I don't know which one to choose. So it's just like, I'm not finna, these are like $9 a piece. No, I'm sorry, $10 a piece, depending on where you get it from. And since I got mine at Walmart, it's $9.97. So yeah, I'm not finna be buying $20 worth of product just to try every single one because they have a lot. Shea Moisture has a lot of different types. So yeah, just something to be mindful of. So this is the one I chose, and I think I'm gonna get one more. I still haven't decided yet. Like I said, there's too many to decide from. So yeah. So let's start so we can get this shampoo and condition. So you guys, I am back. Yes. And so as you can see, I have my face mask on. I have the soap in my hair. And so for me, what I am going to start to do is when I'm washing my hair, because this is the soap. Again, the soap that I used was the Shea African black soap from Shea Moisture. And I also added some sulfur 8 soap shampoo. I'm sorry. And my friend recommended this to me, and it's been really good with like keeping the moisture in my hair and Just like cleaning my hair is like a neutralizing shampoo as well. So I love it so far. So it's been really good. I use it on my daughter's hairs too. And as far as, like I was telling you about the Clarins product, which I'm going to do an in-depth video on the Clarins products that I like and that I have. Pretty much the ones that I have and that I like to use as far as cleansing my face and skin. So I don't know if you can see this, because you know there's a glare right now. But it's a Clarins. It's in a blue bottle. It's the Hydra Quench Cream Mask. Oh, I love this stuff. It feels good. It's soft. Yes. And your skin feels really, really good and hydrated afterwards. So, yeah. So I have the shampoo in my hair. So I'm just going to comb my hair out a little bit. You know, let it sit a little bit. Let it smolder in there. Okay. And then after I comb my hair, I'm just going to, you know, do your usual cleansing, rubbing your scalp, cleaning your scalp with your fingers. You know, you got to get that dirt, you know, them dry flakes. Make sure you cleanse your scalp and your hair. You know, because I just took my hair out of goddess locks. So, yeah, my hair definitely needs a really good cleaning for those purposes. Because, you know, when your hair is in a protective braiding type style, you know, it builds up dirt. Even though I typically use like a dry wash shampoo, but you know, still nothing's better than washing your hair with some actual shampoo. All right, and we're gonna start conditioning. I like to put a lot in there, you know. I also like to use, along like shampoos, I like to use a lot of different conditioners in my hair. I don't like to use just one conditioner, you know. But for these purposes, I am going to use just this conditioner and the coconut oil. So, yeah. Just lather it on. Lather, lather, lather. I like to make sure my hair has a lot of product in it. Look at my ear. Take my little towel. Oh, y'all, and I also have just invested in one of these little hooded towels. This thing it's great, you know. When you wash your hair, you could just use this to have your hair with the product just sit there, and, you know, it's catching all the water. It's good with conditioner as well. So I got this at Target for $3. I don't know if you've ever been in Target, which you should have because everybody loves Target. But they have this little front section in the front where it's kind of like the dollar store, but it's more than $1. So essentially that means this part of the store, it has really, really cheap, cute stuff. That's really cheap. It'd be like from $1 to $5, and you can find the coolest, craziest stuff, you know, that maybe you weren't even looking for. And you end up buying it just because. Put my little coconut oil on there. Just because it's $1 or it's $3. And it's just, wow. So I love that section of Target. I love that part of Target. I'm going to let this sit for like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Really let it process in my hair. And then let me put my cap on. So then, like, you see my skin, you know, multitask. And you see my hair processing, you know. And with this, you can sit under a hooded heater. I know I have one. It only cost me like $30. But you have to sit it up on a chair, and then you sit underneath it. You have to, you know, finagle it a kind of way, because it's not the ones you could just roll, because those ones are like $100+. So I got this little $30 one. It works just as good, and you can heat process your hair for 15 to 30 minutes, and you know, it it helps with your hair, you know, with, you know, definitely helps by heat processing your hair, with your hair absorbing more of the conditioner and softening the hair. So I definitely like to do that. Every once, you know, in a while. I wish I could do it more, but I'm gonna be honest, I'd be lazy. So I'd be like, let's just slap this on and then do whatever I gotta do and then wash it out and I'm done. So, but it's always good to sit under the dryer, you know, every once in a while. You know, heat damage and stuff like that, I wouldn't suggest it every time you wash your hair, but if you have the time, you know, you should definitely do it every other time. If not, like, you know, because it depends, and also depends on how often you wash your hair. For me, being natural, I want to start washing my hair every week, but we'll see what happens. If not, every 2 weeks, definitely every week and a half, and then every other time, you know, I would want to try to sit under the dryer. I might not have those time. I might not have the time to do that. So for me, I would just do it like this. Process it, you know, condition my hair and everything. Condition my hair and put my processing cap, 30-40 minutes, take it off, rinse this out of my hair, and go. And I'm done. You know? That's my wash and go. And I think for me, every other time I like to do shampoo this time, and then next time it'll be a co-wash. So alternate it that type of way, you know. And co-wash takes even less time because you don't have to condition your hair, you know. I mean, but you can still, because you're washing your hair with conditioner, so you can still do this process. Just wash your hair and then do this process with the co-wash. Maybe not as long, like 10-15 minutes, and then wash it out and be done. You're definitely done then. So yeah, this is how I do my hair, and I just want to share it with you guys. I don't know how you wash and condition your hair, and but for me, having 3 kids, 1, 2, 3, I like to keep the process as simple as possible, and in under a certain amount of time, because I only have a certain amount of time. So yeah, this is just my video, and I will be back after I wash this out to let you guys see the finished product, and then yeah, that's it. So definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the links I leave down below. Look for these products in your local stores, Target, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS. They all have these Shea Moisture products. The Clarins, like I told you about, look for, and you know, Macy's has it. They have an online website, their own personal website, and yeah, these products for facial products are really, really good. Like I said, I use the Sulfur 8 shampoo too. This is at Walmart. It's not that expensive. It's like $3-4. And yeah, my coconut oils, avocado oil, and grapeseed oil you can find in your local grocery store. They're not expensive as well. The coconut oil is a little expensive, but the grapeseed and avocado oil is like a good $3-4. Yeah, just check out all those products, you know. Comment below, let me know what you do for your natural hair, you know, give me any tips. I'm looking for all types of tips, you know, how to get my hair to grow faster, because I do feel like it's in an awkward stage right now. So all right, look for my next video. Thanks for watching.